Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, what is the area of this trapezoid? How can we solve this? Let this length is A, then this length will be also A. Now if we extend these two sides, then this length will be A minus 1 from here to here. This is H, height of this trapezoid. Now this is A, this is B, and this is C. So from triangle ABC we can write A square plus H square is equal to 7. Let this is equation 1. Let this point is D and this point is E. So from triangle ADE we can write A minus 1 whole square plus H square equal to A square. This is equation 2. Now if we simplify equation 2, we get A square minus 2A plus 1 plus H square is 7 minus A square equal to A square. So A square is cancelled, minus A square is cancelled with this A square, and if we simplify this we get A square plus 2A minus 8 equal to 0. By factorization we get A plus 4 into A minus 2 equal to 0. From here we get A equal to minus 4 or A equal to 2. So the length is A equal to 2. Now what is the height of this trapezoid? So H square equal to 7 minus 2 square and 7 minus 4, so this is 3. So H is equal to square root of 3. So the height of this trapezoid is 3. Now we know that area of the trapezoid equal to half of this side 1 plus this length. So A is 2, so 1 plus 2 height, and the height is square root of 3. This is square root of 3. If we simplify this we get 3 square root of 3 divided by 2, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.